how to increase cell size in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase the cell size in Excel. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Excel and then select the cell. And once you've done that, you need to go to the format option and then you can see row height, tap on it. Now here it's 14.5 as default. Now you can increase it to any size that you want and then hit OK. So you can see that the row height has increased. Now to increase the column height, you can go to the format option again, go to column height and then change it as well. So there you go. This is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.